Here come the plows. They get the fuck out of their way. Oh, turn around, bastards. Don't do that. Go down the road some more. Oh, man. We need you out here. Oh, turn around. Don't get stuck. And he's stuck. Back up, buddy. He's almost stuck. There you go. There he goes. He made the corner. Now it's your turn. There's a cop making his way around. There goes Mr. Cop. Good time to rob a bank. I won't be able to get to you. That's what I used to do. Drive a snowplow. Just like that. That was fun. Put a couple of tons in the back, you got traction. Looks like you made it.